Welcome to Elite Golf. This is a new series we're starting. The key to golf is this: is one, beat your opponent. So I'm whooping them. I'm talking about beating them. Give me that party, baby. You can't pour concrete in the rain, but you can still golf. What did Tiger say? The only way you miss is if you don't play, right?
You don't remember who carried him the other weekend?
300. Drive about 295. Let it roll up there.
Oh, you chunked it and still fucking flew. Jesus Christ.
I hit it behind the after ball.
Oh.
Short though.
You got under that sucker. It went straight. That's a good shot, bub. Oh.
Okay, dude, it's like everything's wet, filthy.
Getting a little sprinkled on, I reckon.
We're gonna find my wall.
I might kill you. Huh? Don't get murdered. I just made this hole really long. I mean, I'll take that out of there. It's gonna fuck this one up. Fuck it up.
180 something. Holy shit. I ain't got the club, cuz. I ain't got the club. Man, that was a terrible tee shot. Now I'm gonna grab the next club and be soaking ass wet.
Well, I'm about to get up and down for par, so you better get your shit together.
Okay, go play in the mud. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this. You don't have any mud club. Watch this shit. Raining. Let me tell you something. What did Tiger say? The only way you miss is if you don't play, right? The only way you fucking go in is if you shoot a 6-iron, baby.
Fuck, he actually hit it.
I don't even know why we're playing golf. It's so fucking gifted. Them sixes scare me. I'm scared I'm gonna come over the top because I want them so bad. I said, you know what? Let's just lay up with them. I should have laid up at 5.
I'm about to get muddy while here. Watch this shit.
It's raining. People say, hey, you can't pour concrete in the rain, but you can sure golf.
Oh, you're on.
Am I? Within 2 feet?
About 1.
I don't think he knows how to use a tape measure. I think I'm off. Oh yeah. I'm telling you, I'm gonna have a court date coming up soon for the manslaughter charge that I get out here today. Cause I'm whooping him. I'm talking about beating on him.
Can't believe you sit down on the fucking green.
Oh, I got
Mine's in somebody's fucking backyard, damn it.
right?
This is a crock of fucking bullshit.
It's stroke play.
I know.
You give up, it's automatic 10.
That's some bullshit right here.
You wanted to play stroke. We can change it to match. You feel better about it.
You're gonna
No,
fight.
it's on video while we're changing it.
Don't worry, you're gonna forfeit that. I want to see it. Don't touch that fucking hole.
Everything I do is on video.
It's alright, cuz. You don't have a blow up hole. I'm just waiting on it.
Sure. I could have gave you one there. I fucking donated that shit to the dog. Pretty well with that club. I don't even know if
I don't know how chunk it still goes like 130, 140 yards.
Hey, as long as it goes straight, right?
That's right.
Gotta be able to hit the club after it too, which is part of the problem for it. We start getting those 4s and 5s. I just not my club. I get past the stick. It's a 30% shot. Call it a drop!
Dude, I don't know how I come on fucking chunking that club.
I don't know. Choke up.
It's getting on my nerves.
Choke up a little bit.
Then I'll top it.
Or stand back.
I try to take
Or just get lessons.
Bullshit.
Cause this is murder's what she wrote out here, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Cause you're about to have to drop that. If you play that, I'm gonna be shocked.
Oh, I wouldn't play that. Well, I guess it's par 5. Might be better off dropping.
I don't know if you can, Brett. Hey, don't.
We're gonna find out. Hunting. Take a layup club. down.
What's new? Shit the bed on that. Give me that party, baby. Fucking piss poor, but hey, it's out the weeds. Let's go over there and stripe a little 60. Put a little 60 on the map.
How are you feeling?
Like shit. I fucking hate this game. I fucking love this game. I hate this game. Let's see what Mr. Elite Concrete's gonna do over here.
Damn. Dropped the wrong club.
Oh my god, that might be good.
Can't be long.
Ooh! 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 Cuz, so you're saying there's a chance that you screw this hole?
No, it's the number. I hit a full one of it. It's about every fucking time.
What did you hit?
Fucking gap wedge. It generally goes about 100. It's 93. I figure I hit it off the bat.
Yeah, you hit that about 120. So.
No. The back is
Oh, the back?
is 97.
Oh, okay.
And the fucking pin 78.
Well,
that was a fucking
life comes at you fast, I guess.
What?
That's got to sit. Damn it! Yeah, bogey.
Sure.
Shooting bogey right now? Yeah. Is that what we just said?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's just shooting too, ain't it?
Shooting double bogey, both.
Oh.
Long fucking ways, too. I ain't gonna
That was
lie.
actually a pretty damn good little chip right there, Seth. I literally just
It
let
bit, though. It bit pretty good. Watch it roll around.
I was hoping it would roll.
Give us a run, I think.
It's kind of in like that double weed, so I got right. I couldn't get under it, but I couldn't get over it.
Dude, fucking go. Holy shit. She's on a par 5 that's front. Can we pull it?
No, I'm good.
You don't want to lip out, Bubba, just saying. Then it'll make you lip out.
Huh?
I gotta hit through it all.
Yeah. But then you also, if you hit it, you know.
Yeah, you gotta have to, like no break. Yeah, we fucking.
Nah, it's just fuzzy.
See, that's still short. Holy shit.
And it didn't break at all, bro. Tell me that thing don't fucking fall.
This is fucking hard.
It didn't even move.
I'm gonna try to do this straight in.
Oh.
Save the triple.
Jesus Christ. Fucking double, bro.
Alright, you're 3 up. Still getting a stroke on me every
Fucking giving you, I mean, I literally am donating to the cause, bro.
hole. I just need to have a good.
Everybody can see this, a big old berm, right? Let's go straight at it. Well, I'm not gonna line up, but I'm gonna guess I'm straight at it. Cause, tell me it's not about 8 inches different. And I hit that hard. Doesn't make sense. How does that happen? Whenever I hit flat and then it falls, it don't even move. Stupid. Absolutely slum. I just smacked it, bro. I'm not like here. Technically, we dropped the shoulder. Good shot, Seth. Might get you one back here. I don't know, bro. Feel a lot better with this gap wedge. Feel like choke up down on it a little bit to your hit. That 60, I can fly it in there and stop it. Little gap wedge.
Hit you a little skippy one here, Bubba.
That's what I'm gonna try to do. Ow! Short.
Worked out.
Actually, wasn't bad. Kind of did exactly. You know, it's funny. Obviously, you know it's fun that way. Yeah. The key to golf is this: is one, beat your opponent, but two, you know, you really need to walk. Weird downhill going that way, but it's got a little ridge right here. So I think you take it center, let it. Let's go straight at it. See what happens. Right?
That's cool. Lucas tie.
Good pace, good putt.
Motherfucker, go. God. Unreal. Unreal.
It'll piss you off, bro.
Unreal. Can't putt on shit like this.
It's for sick. Give me that one back, dude. Give me that one.
What are you up knowing for?
Hey, that was a good little dip, though.
I was scared I was gonna fly it, so I had to let off.
The problem is it can come out really high here.
Absolutely fucking ate that fairway up. Oh, oh, where'd it go?
I just fucking swim it, bro.
Are you gonna take a drop, cuz? Damn.
It is hot as drap now.
I cannot believe you're wearing pants.
I have no idea I still have that. Welcome to Elite Golf. This is a new series we're starting. Also go into my TikTok to Clearview Lawn Man. So now we have Elite Concrete Golf, and Clearview Lawn Man. Thank you.
Well, I chunked it, but it went straight.
I see it, brother.
I got a little cart path help too.
With a cart path release? That's right. Bro, what? I suck, bro.
Where did I go?
Fucking right side fairway.
Oh, right fairway.
Yeah, but short.
Oh, I see it. You're pretty right. This might go. Look how fucked up his tee box is, bro.
All right, big dog. Big dogs gotta eat no matter where they're eating. I know. Oh no, shit.
Thank God I pulled that. Holy shit, I chunked that.
Yeah, really going for the pin's probably not the best.
No. Go. Go. Oh, bunkers. Hey, as long as they're not wet, that's all that matters.
Yeah, now I gotta get out of the fucking bunker and not doing wet.
Wet ass bunker. Yeah, so.
I fuck it up. When I don't gotta go after it, don't matter. Dead.
These tee boxes are shit.
Brother.
Go. Oh, got over. Did it?
Yeah, sure did. Bad, actually.
It's actually a good shot.
Well, I did practice when you see that. Maybe I should start doing those a little more often. Hey.
All right.
Clean it up. Dude, I hit a fucking 6-iron from where I was at to about basically right behind this little pond. Oh my God.
What?
You fucking dribbling. How did I do that?
Oh, you were knocking on that one. What was that for?
Hold on one second. One, two, three. 6.
Okay.
I can really disrespectful. That's game, bro.
Alright, they beat me by what? 2?
You're not gonna like a dribble back. It's just a natural butt whooping. I hated to do it to him. I know he's all the anniversary. I was trying to give it to him. I've been 3-putting all day. And he just hasn't seemed to pick it back up, so I would tell y'all.
You don't remember who carried him the other weekend?
That's bullshit. Birthday, yeah. Second day, I don't know. I've been playing some pretty good golf, though.